Hello and welcome back to Automotive Solutions. Doing some more tidying up my tools, checking stuff over, and I've got a couple of these coils for the on my one. It's a mini ductor, but the inductive heat guns, and the insulation on some of these coils. It's just got so hot, and obviously probably touched some of the hot bolts with it, and it's coming away, as you can see from there. So I went on eBay and I got a meter of insulation, which I think is heat proof up to 200 or 300 degrees. It's got asbestos in it as well, so some asbestos type material in it to help protect it. So I cut that to size, open the coil up, and I've got some heat shrink to finish it as they've done it there as well. So I think these, if you want to buy a new one of these, they range from about sort of £20 upwards, I think, depending on size. So I'm going to see if I can do it for a bit cheaper than that, and then have some spare left over to keep repairing them. And that is a finished article. Obviously, your nut or bolt would fit in there to heat it up. So I've got another couple of these to do, but yeah, I might give it a little test in a second, see how that comes out, see if it holds the heat okay. So all that's required now is a little test. So let's see how we get on, see if it melts. It's got that pretty hot. You've got a little bit of smoke off of that, but it hasn't melted. It's all pretty well intact. So yeah, I'll carry on, fix the other couple up, and it's got to be cheaper than buying the coils. And if this does end up not lasting, I'll probably get the higher rated one. That's, I think it's about 550, 600 degree. There's another one available, so I'll see if I can get hold of some of that if this doesn't last. But it's easy enough to change, as you've seen, so hopefully it saves a little bit of money buying coils anyway. So hopefully you found it interesting, and I'll see you again for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye now.